clearing some old trails on the property, and this particular one that I'm trying to open up goes down to Blazy Poe Creek, which runs along the west side of the property for about a mile with no access from my property. This bushy cedar tree is right in the middle, right in front of the trail opening. There's a split here. There's another trail off the left here you can see behind the... There it is. Anyway, that's got a lot of bushy trees in it. Matter of fact, when I try to walk along it, it's easier to walk beside it in the trees than to try to walk through the bushes in the middle of it. It's just completely overgrown and impassable. Apparently these bushes grow better on trails than they do anywhere else. Notice that I'm not using the hydraulic thumb. That's because it's inoperative. About 2 or 3 days after I bought the excavator, I hit a branch taking down a tree, and it disconnected the hydraulic line to the hydraulic thumb. And when I got it back finally, the thumb wouldn't work anymore. The primary display went out at the same time, so I kind of wonder if it's electrical. I don't know whether we got a hydraulic problem or an electrical problem. Also, the hydraulic thumb leaks down. It was all the way up at the start. It leaked all the way down. I pushed it back by releasing some pressure on it and pushing it down, but then it's dropped back down again. So I don't pick up trees. I push them over, dig them up, and then push them around, basically. You can kind of pick them up with that hydraulic thumb by using the curl function of the bucket and bring it up against that drooping thumb. I'm just learning to use this thing. At least you can see the start of the trail back there. You can't see it very well because it's steep downhill, so it's down below the grass down there. I'm going to have to break a ramp down to it. It's been very inaccessible for a long time. Smell of juniper, cedar, and pine. It's been a good smelling morning. Now I'm pushing a load of dirt across the hole to fill it in. Lift the blade up across the top of it, drop it down, and back drag it. Rock is too heavy for me now, so we're just going to scoot it over out of the way. And we will nudge it up the hill. There it is. Anybody wants a rock? There it is. Here instead of my feet. I need to learn to use my feet. I'm still learning, like I said. Anyway, I've always operated this excavator in idle. I started in idle, operate in idle. And when you try to use the drive function along with any other swing function or anything else, there's not enough power in idle to do them both, so they kind of unpredictable things. So I'm still just doing it one at a time. Maybe one of these days I'll speed the engine up and learn how to use my feet. This thing works as fast as I want to work.
I got a rock over there. There's the road that I'm going to clear out. That goes down to Glacy Creek. Glacy Po, I guess. It's not Poo. The locals keep telling me it's Po. Usually spelled Poo. There's that cedar tree. There's the trail down to Glacy Po Creek. There's where the cedar tree used to be. Yeah, I'll see if I can work my way back out of here. Just pretty much knocked down the trees coming in. So I've got to clean up some of this rough stuff.